Hey everyone, I'm Walson. If you're working on an outdoor LED light strip project and encountering issues like flickering lights, insufficient brightness, or even power supplies failing within a few months, then you've come to the right video. Today, I'm going to show you how to choose the right power supply for your outdoor LED light strips, so you can build a safe, stable, and long-lasting professional system. Many people install beautiful light strips, but because they use the wrong power supply, the lights flicker or are dim. What's worse, when a cheap power supply breaks down, the entire system has to be disassembled and reinstalled, which is a waste of both time and money. In fact, choosing the right power supply isn't difficult. You just need to remember 4 key principles: voltage matching, sufficient power, IP67 waterproof rating, and legal safety certifications. Next, I'll break them down one by one. Is your light strip 12 volts? Then you can only choose a 12V power supply. Is your light strip 24 volts? Then you must use a 24 volts power supply. Choosing the wrong voltage will burn out the light strip instantly, and the project will be directly scrapped. How to calculate the power supply wattage? It's simple. Use this formula: power per meter of the light strip length of the light strip 2 equals required power supply wattage. Why an extra 20%? Because the power supply should work at full load for a long time. With some extra power as a buffer, the power supply can operate at a low temperature, ensuring stability and durability. Here's an example. If you have a 100 watt light strip, you need at least a 120 watt power supply. Choosing a 100 watt power supply exactly might make the light work, but overheating will cause the power supply to damage quickly. Why? For outdoor power supplies, the IP67 protection rating is a must, because IP67 means dustproof and waterproof, and it can even withstand short-term submersion in water. IP20 or IP65, don't use them. A single rainstorm can render the power supply completely useless, or even cause a fire. In addition, it's recommended that the power supply housing be a closed aluminum casing. It's not only waterproof but also helps with heat dissipation, enhancing safety and extending its lifespan. Check if the power supply has safety certification marks such as UL or ETL. These marks mean the power supply has passed rigorous tests by independent laboratories. It won't easily short circuit, overheat, or catch fire. Choosing a cheap uncertified power supply, the small amount of money you save could lead to big losses, project acceptance failure, or even electrical accidents. Therefore, UL, ETL, and CE certifications are your criteria for distinguishing between professional and amateur-grade products. When powering LED light strips, remember this: only choose constant voltage power supplies, such as 12 volts constant voltage, or 24 volts constant voltage ones. Never use constant current drivers. Those are for industrial LED modules. Using the wrong power supply will burn out the light strip directly. To choose the right outdoor LED power supply, remember this 5-step formula: 1. Strict voltage matching. 12 volts for 12 volt strips, 24 volts for 24 volt strips. 2. At least 20% extra power as a buffer. 3. IP67 waterproof rating, preferably with an aluminum alloy casing. 4. All ETL certifications for guaranteed safety. 5. Constant voltage power supply. Never use constant current drivers. A power supply isn't just an optional accessory. It's the heart of the entire LED system. A professional system starts with the right power supply. If this video helped you, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have more questions about outdoor lighting, feel free to leave a message, and I'll answer them for you.